Hi bazala bami zitho, welcome to Mgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami zitho is about Uvuyokazi. Guys, Uvuyokazi, the clinic that she went to do surgery in Postile, and it was just an appreciation post, guys, saying it was lovely working with Uvuyokazi, and at least that they met Uvuyokazi. So guys, when I googled lela gama balibhale lapha lale surgery bakayenza, it's a weight loss surgery. That means lose weight, and the surgery is successful. She looks very beautiful. We'll get to know more about the surgery, I guess, on TikTok. Oh, no, on her Facebook. Sorry, she doesn't have a Facebook now. On her YouTube channel. So I know that I made a video, guys, and I be suspicious the hands bezivela lapha, but I still believe that Uvuyokazi lapha take Berambe or someone. So guys, I guess we'll get the full details on i-surgery kuye Uvuyokazi from the horse's mouth. Then manje akakaposti next, but the clinic has already posted Uvuyokazi. You know, guys, one thing about Uvuyokazi, I think she's happy now and she's making her own man. If you have noticed on ama vlogs wakhe, she has been driving a Mercedes Benz. I saw abanye abantu bathi it's a borrowed car, but mina ngimzwanga athi she borrowed that car, and I don't know i-reason ukuthi Uvuyokazi angathi makayibona ama-fans wakhe, because la bekaya khona bekayibona ama-fans akhe on the first vlog. Another vlog bekahamba nomhlophekazi bayodlala ama-game. So I don't see the reason ukuthi ungathi uthi ukhipha umntana wakho and book a car. I guess mhlambe if it's not yakubo yeyakhe, and it seems like girl is making enough money. I don't want to say a lot of money. I think she's making enough money, guys, ukuthi aziphilise, and she's making enough money ukuthi aphilise ingane zakhe. She looks healthy, she looks happy, and she looks like she is making money. Anyway, YouTube channel yakhe, guys, iyenza imali. YouTube channel kaVuyokazi iyenza imali, and following yakhe iyenza imali. I don't understand why ama-brands angasebenzi noVuyokazi kangako. I know there are some brands asebenze now. If I think i-following kaVuyokazi iyavuma ukuthi ama-brand, lot of brands asebenze nayo ngoba abantu abaningi bayamthanda, guys, especially ladies. How just make i-video wena ubona something engekho right ngoVuyokazi, ubone wena ukuthi anyeke abantu bakungenele na. But-ke Uvuyokazi was happy and is making money. We'll just wait for yena ukuthi achaze ukuthi eTurkey bazala bami zitho bekayoyenzani. And I must say, if vele bekayeli surgery, she was doing i-surgery, hey, uhlela amalanga amaningi, that means girl has money, young. Or did they book for him? Hey guys, yabona manje sizocabangela izinto esingazazi. All we know is just that we are happy that Uvuyokazi making money, and Uvuyokazi unakekela ibody yakhe, and she can afford whatever she wants. Because if you wanna do surgery, I don't see any problem. You know, guys, I've been advocating for abantu abathenga umzimba who are doing the surgery. I always said, if you have the money and you want that body, why not, guys? That is all for now. Bazala bami zitho, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.